everybody. I'm Bo, and I'm here to talk to you about Cat Reman Turbochargers. We have remanufactured turbochargers that fit most models of Cat engines. They're remanufactured to perform like new for a fraction of new price with core return. And Cat Reman Turbochargers undergo the same durability, dynamic, and structural tests as new. All so they can meet your fuel consumption, horsepower, response, and torque needs. To top it off, they come with the same as new 12-month Caterpillar limited warranty. If you're considering replacement parts, contact your local authorized Cat dealer and find more info at cat.com/reman.